water. He doesn't drink.
Oh, that's tequila. Woo! Who's drinking tonight? Who's having a good time? Who's drinking? Who's going to work hungover tomorrow? Fuck yeah. As you should in a Killswitch. I had a fucking metal show. Fuck that. At a metal show. That's what you do. You come, you have fun, you drink, you party, you fucking smile, hopefully. Nobody fucking fights. I love that shit. Because we're all fucking one in this, motherfucker. Hell yeah. I don't know what the fuck's going on with this guy's guitar. Jesus. Oh, he broke stuff?
He broke his string!
Oh, he broke the pizza guitar. No more pizza guitar, buddy? Oh, no. Oh, no!
I'm thinking it's because the energy from the crowd was so fucking spectacular. You burnt it to a crisp! Or like I was talking about earlier, my masturbation has gotten so good, this fucking forearm is a beast. Just destroying everything it fucking touches! Watch out, ladies! Oh! That's so fucking creepy! Oh!
Yes, it is.
Let's see if this one works now.
Good? Fuck being professional. I'm just gonna hang out for a second. I don't give a shit. Right? This is your fucking party. We're just the soundtrack to it. That's all it is, man. You know what I mean? Fuck being professional. Yeah. So someone tell me a joke. What's going on? Give me a good one. You got a good one?
Guess what? My shit works!
Oh. Next time.
What was he gonna do?
He's gonna tell a joke.
I kind of want to hear it now.
All right.
Okay.
It's kind of racist.
That's how he starts it. Jesus Christ. So we're gonna like this guy, or we're gonna have to beat the shit out of him, one or the other. All right, go on.
How many arrows does it take to change a light bulb?
How many?
They don't change it. They sit in the dark and blame it on the Jews.
Oh.
Do we kick his ass? Hey, actually, you know what?
He looks kind of...
Yeah. I'll tell you what, though. This is actually a perfect setup for the next song. This song is called Hate by Design.